Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type bar symbol in Word, so you can very easy and very simply you can insert or type it. So firstly you need to click on insert. Now equation, you see here this equation option, to just click on it. This upside, you just click this upside, and now you need to click on accent. Here see this A type logo, and upside will be two dots. So this click on accent, and now you here see here this bar. So just click on it. Now type here your letter like A. Firstly select this box and then type this type. And now click on anywhere, double click on it. And you can type double this bar like I will show you. Insert equation, insert new equation, and accent, and here you see this double over bar. So this is single and this is double, like this. So very easy to type this bar. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and share this video and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.